Welcome back, everybody. All right, so that concludes the tutorial, and it was quite a bit of fun. And for the most part, this is a very, very short introduction to JavaScript. The point of this course was that you could go ahead and get your hands dirty and just essentially type some code. The only way to get better at writing code and making software, apps, or whatever, is to actually do it. It's one of those things where if you do more of it, you simply just get better at it. Now, I have a whole bunch of courses that deal with software development, and some of them, for example, are like how to get your app on the App Store without any programming. And if you're interested in any of these, I do have a deal. And you can just go ahead and message me. And once you message me for this deal, I can get you into these courses for a much lower price than advertised. And I hope you really do succeed, because I do put out these courses so that people can achieve their best. I have had a lot of positive feedback on my courses. Specifically some people that have never made an app or a game or any piece of software before, and at the end of the course they have something on the App Store, and that really is why I put out these courses. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the course. Message me if you want to get into my other courses, and I hope to see you guys in the next course.